Recording.
Hello, happy Thursday. If you're planning to come here for the Labor Day weekend, welcome to North Carolina. This is the Thursday before Labor Day. And except for this oil that just showed up on the road, it's a nice day out. It is 11:15, and it's only 66 degrees. I am currently scrubbing in tires because if you've watched some of my other videos, I just completed 75,000 mile service. Tires feel great. The brake pads I put on the rear, they were supposed to be EBC HH. They didn't say that on the package. I dropped them in because everything had to be better than what I pulled out. But my rear brakes are not sticky. Where I usually tap the rear brake once or twice and scrub off some speed, I do not have that today. When I tap the rear brake, the bike goes faster. But it is absolutely a lovely day out here today. Land and home package. I'm not sure I'd want to live on this road. If you know where this is, 28 coming out of Franklin, Bryson City Road. Where I'm at right now, it's a long ways to get to a grocery store. God forbid you forget something at the hardware store. However, you are only 15 minutes from a Dollar General. But at this point in life, who isn't 15 minutes from a Dollar General? I think where I live, in 15 minutes you can hit 5 Dollar Generals. And if you're in Clay County, North Carolina, there's a Dollar General on every street corner. There's more Dollar Generals than there are people living in Clay County, North Carolina. The EBC pads I took out of the brakes on this thing yesterday, man, they were sticky. I barely touched that rear brake and it would slow me down. Today it's like running the brakes on a 996 back in the day. They shouldn't even put caliper on the back of a Ducati 996 back in 2000. That thing had no brakes. It didn't matter what I did, what pad I put in there. I could not get the thing to slow down the rear brake. Couldn't get it to set in on the corners. And when I started this morning, I thought I just needed to seat the pads in on the rotor, but good Lord, I've been riding down the road holding the brake